चलिए द नेक्स्ट रिवाइज कीजिए चैप्टर 13 ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड पॉपुलेशंस 13.1 ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड इट्स एनवायरनमेंट एंड 13.2 पॉपुलेशंस. Our living world fascinatingly diverse and amazingly complex है. We can try to understand its complexity by investigating process at various levels of biological organizations, macromolecules, cells, tissues, organs, and individuals, population, communities, ecosystem, and biomes. At any level of biological organization, we can ask two types of questions. For example, when we hear the bulbul singing early morning in the garden, we may ask how does the bird sing or why does the bird sing. The how type questions seek the mechanism behind the process, while the why type question seek significance of the process. For the first question is our example. The answer might be in terms of operation of voice box, जी हाँ voice box, and the dash dash bone in the vibrating words. बताइए इसमें कौन सा वर्ड गलत बोला है हमने. Whereas the dash dash question, जी हाँ, whereas the second question, the answer may lie in the bird's needs to communicate with its mate during breeding season. When you observe nature around you with a scientific frame of mind, you will certainly come up with many interesting questions of both types. Why are night blooming flowers are generally white? How does the bee know which flower has nectar? Why does cactus have so many thorns? How does the chick spores recognize her own mother? And so on. You have already learned in previous classes that dash dash is a subject which studies the interaction among organisms and between the organism and its physical, that is abiotic environment. Then next, ecology basically concerned करता है with 4 level of biological organization. बताइए चारों लेवल्स बताइए कौन कौन से हैं. इस चैप्टर में हम लोग एक्सप्लोर करेंगे इकोलॉजी एट ऑर्गेनिज्मिक एंड पॉपुलेशन लेवल. तो रिवाइज कीजिए 13.1 ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड इट्स एनवायरनमेंट. Ecology at the organismic level is essentially dash dash ecology which tries to understand how different organisms are adapted to their environments in the term of not only survival but also reproduction. You may have learned in earlier classes how the rotations of our planet around the sun and the tilt of its axis cause annual variation in the dash dash and the duration of temperature resulting in distinct seasons. These variations, together with annual variation in precipitation, remember precipitation includes both rain and snow, account for formation of major dash such as desert, rainforest, and tundra. Figure 13.1.